Hello everyone, welcome to today's programming tutorial. In this video, we're going to delve into the concept of the auto storage class in C programming. The auto storage class might sound familiar, but let's explore it in detail to understand how it works and when you might encounter it. So what exactly is the auto storage class? In C, auto is actually the default storage class for all local variables. When you declare a variable within a function or a block without specifying any storage class, it's assumed to have the auto storage class. This means that the variable is automatically created and destroyed as the scope in which it's defined is entered and exited. Think of it like this. When a function is called, the variables declared with the auto storage class are created on the stack, and they exist only as long as the function is executing. Once the function's execution is complete, these variables are automatically destroyed. Let's take a look at an example to make this concept clearer. In the calculate sum function, we didn't explicitly specify the auto storage class for the result variable. However, since it's a local variable declared within the function, it automatically gets the auto storage class. As you can see, we can omit the auto keyword and the behavior will remain the same. Now let's break down what happens step by step when we run the program. In the main function, the variables x and y are declared and assigned values. When the calculate sum function is called with x and y as arguments, the function executes. Inside the calculate sum function, the result variable is declared with the auto storage class. It is created on the stack and holds the sum of x and I. The function returns the result variable's value. Back in the main function, the returned value is assigned to the sum variable. The sum variable is printed to the screen. As the main function finishes execution, the x, y, result, and sum variables, all with the auto storage class, are automatically destroyed. And that's the essence of the auto storage class in C. It's the default behavior for local variables, ensuring they are created and destroyed automatically within their respective scopes. While explicitly using the auto keyword is optional, it's a good practice to help improve code readability and maintainability. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any questions, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!